Hi, everyone. My name is Allison Grosz, and I'm a partner and an attorney here at Hemrick PLLC in New York City. Today, I'm going to continue with my What Is series, and today I want to talk about what is the asylum clock. The asylum clock is something that's available to people who intend to file for or have already filed for asylum or protection here in the United States. If you've arrived in the United States, you can file your application for asylum with either USCIS or with the immigration judge, depending on if you are in immigration court or if you're not in immigration court. Filing your application for asylum with the correct agency is the start to the first step of what you need to do to properly start your asylum clock. So what is the asylum clock? The asylum clock is something that when somebody submits their application to either USCIS or the immigration court, whoever has authority or jurisdiction over your case, it begins the clock that allows a person to file for employment authorization in the United States based on their pending asylum application. The clock begins when somebody properly and correctly submits their asylum application to either USCIS or the immigration court, and it's properly received by one of those two agencies. From that date of receipt onward, the clock is ticking for somebody, and once that clock reaches 150 days, an applicant for asylum may submit their employment authorization application. Employment authorization is very important for asylum applicants for various reasons. First of all, it allows you to work legally here in the United States. It allows you to get a Social Security card and other benefits, such as applying for a driver's license, among other things. It's very important to lawfully be employed here in the United States so that you can pay your taxes and also generally live on the radar. The clock begins, like I said, when somebody first submits their asylum application to either USCIS or the immigration court. But it's extremely important that you know which agency has control over your asylum case so that it can be properly filed and your asylum clock begins ticking without any issues. There are various reasons why sometimes clocks stop ticking. Those reasons could sometimes be that your case is referred from the USCIS asylum office to the immigration court, or if you reschedule any court dates in front of the immigration judge, or fail to attend any of your asylum interviews with USCIS, or any hearings before the immigration judge. Like I said, there are various reasons why somebody's asylum clock may stop ticking, and there are many nuances in how to get your asylum clock starting to run again if it has stopped, and also to make sure that your asylum clock is running appropriately and correctly without any issues. With that being said, us here at Hemrick PLLC help people every day and work with asylum applicants in filing their asylum applications correctly before various agencies. We also help people file their asylum application, employment authorization applications. We are happy to hear from you. We're happy to help you either start your asylum clock or continue your asylum clock. You can feel free to reach us at 833-848-7838. You can also find us online at hemrick.law. So that is a continuation of my What Is series. I look forward to speaking to everyone next time. And until then, be well.